Okay guys, so you're wondering what's happening on Sunday Fun Day today. Well, we're filming, or I shouldn't say we are, but they're filming for the Andrew Michael Blues Band here in the shop. They've rented our shop, using our cars and filming away. Got some hair and makeup going on over here. Filming outside here. They're just rehearsing right now, using our car, or my car.
I mean, the Muppets go.
Oh wow! Okay.
He's dead, you know. Wait for it. Wait for it. Such a good point. Gotta keep the thing rolling. It's a muddy mill.
Even more.
Like,
Okay.
let's
Yeah,
go.
push
Then
really
that-
hard
let's
because then I don't have.
I can go for
hours
with
with this. Then I don't have to fucking act.
Rolling. Okay. Action, Michelle.
Dude.
What are you doing?
Doesn't look like I'm doing.
You're supposed to go.
Go
You're supposed
where?
to be there already. Like seriously. You're
Seriously,
there
what?
tonight.
I'm
You're
working on the
supposed to go
car.
tonight.
I'm not going anywhere.
What?
Gotta do this.
Cut.
Was that too?
You can do that. Yep, I can do that. I'll do a couple.
Yeah.
Just have it right by the PA speaker.
In the toilet after someone's used it.
When's the shower scene being filmed?
Just sitting there and something you just sit on them.
Sorry.
Don't go back to the dip.
By the fire.
Are they rolling anything? Are they moving and you got to come up with it? It will be on the after the fact, but they'll be rolling. As they're doing the acting? No.
You know,
Not
it
very
doesn't
moment.
smell and it doesn't.
I feel that. That's why we're bringing the ugly one to the Catherine. Bringing Guido with one eye. All right.
Yeah.
But you have gentle hands.
All right, guys, we'll be ready to go in 60 seconds.
And rolling.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Action.
Okay, how are you? Andrew. Have you seen this before? Oh my gosh. Yes, yeah, almost. Soon. Thank you so much for coming.
You're a fine wine, so right. People think I'm crazy now. Get 'em doctor on the phone. Cold sweat sting in my eye. So through my shirt. Heart beating like a war drum. To the curse. Yeah, 'cause I've been on sleeping. More on me. 'Cause I've been on sleeping. No more. Sipping holy water, a couple magic pills, a shot of whiskey in my blood. No prayer can kill. 'Cause now I know something great. Yeah. And when the sky cries and I'm gonna testify, I'll sing their song. And when the thrill is gone home, and I'm coming home to testify, my life can go on. Take it away, Dawn. She's got sweet little hair. She my pride.
Gonna put a hole up there. Right?
You might not see me in person, but I see you just the same. Well, you might not see me in person. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to the home out on the range. You got a lot of nice girls there.
Okay, it's all over. The filming is over. And all they left us was a bag of empties. Can you, oh, my phone is beeping. I think it's like just after 10 p.m. The wife is in here cleaning up. Not that they didn't do a good job. They did an awesome job. I thank them so much. It was nice to have the video out there. When the video is done and finished, I will post it for you guys. Oh, they left us another bag of empties right here. But anyway, you all seen it going on. I was doing reels and stories and everything all over Facebook. And for some reason, I don't know how, but 3 more jobs showed up throughout the whole filming on a Sunday. Hey, what can I say? You know what I can say? let's look up here. In the dark of the night, let's look up here. You probably can't read it. You know what that says? You can just make it out. It says, it's always a good time at old time. Hey guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. We will be back at you on Tuesday. We're working on cars, doing what we do best, because we sure in the hell can't make movies or videos or whatever we do. But they did a good job. See you later. And please, Michael Andrews Blues Band. Look them up.